Cigar Store Indian is a life-size steel sculpture of a Native American standing by a lawn chair smoking a cigarette. The figure stands on a rounded steel plate resembling the base of a plastic toy commonly manufactured by Mark's Toys in the mid-20th century. Artist Joan Quick-to-See Smith explored the use of stereotyped objects to represent the subjugation of Native Americans. Similarly, the artist Red Star uses Halloween costumes and blow-up animals to explore Native American stereotypes. Cigar Store Indian also explores stereotyped images, but it places the viewer in the same standing position as the Indian. Viewer and Indian stand next to a chair claimed through the placement of a hat, but the chair remains inaccessible by virtue of its construction and implied ownership. The absence of the second figure adds ambiguity to the scene. The Indian looks to the horizon. Is this a movie set, a play, an advertisement? Whatever the setting, it too is a contrivance in which the viewer participates. By making the figure full scale, the viewer confronts and sees through a cultural stereotype, both literally and metaphorically. The red man is clearly placed in a mid-century contemporary setting with an illusion of relaxed comfort as he leans on a classic 1950s patio armchair while holding a contemporary cigarette. The head of the Indian is taken from an Indian head nickel. The Indian on the nickel, designed by James Earl Fraser, is a contrived image designed as a composite of three chiefs, thus demonstrating a disregard for individual identity in preference for a composite image to represent all Indians. The blatant stereotypes of Red Man, Cigar Store Indian, and stage-set clothing provide the facade through which the viewer consciously or unconsciously is led to confront deeper cultural influences. When looking at this sculpture, does one associate with the standing Indian, or does one become the implied second figure? We live in a multicultural society where the games of cowboys and Indians continue to lie just below our collective social fabric.